Rishi Sunak faced a long day of questioning here at Westminster. When he arrived to front the inquiry, there were the relatives of those who lost loved ones through this pandemic who were rallying on the street. Before questioning began, Rishi Sunak issued an apology to all those who had suffered through this pandemic. He said this process was very important for the nation so that they could learn lessons on how to navigate such a crisis better in the future. Now, Rishi Sunak was the Chancellor of the Exchequer through much of the pandemic. That's a cabinet position that saw him responsible for managing the country's economy and finances. Now, at one point through the questioning, he was told that senior health officials had called the Treasury a pro-death squad. Mr Sunak said that was very untrue and also unfair to the Treasury staff who worked tirelessly. Mr Sunak was also grilled on a controversial scheme called Eat Out to Help Out. Now that's for households given money to eat at local restaurants. Mr Sunak was asked whether he saw adequate advice.
My primary concern was protecting millions of jobs of particularly vulnerable people who worked in this industry. All the data, all the evidence, all the polling, all the input from those companies suggested that unless we did something, many of those jobs would have been at risk with devastating consequences for those people and their families.
Many have commented that Mr Sunak was quite calm and composed under questioning, that he played down controversy, and that he even defended his former boss, Boris Johnson. Now, he is the last big name to front this inquiry, but the work will continue into the new year. Conclusions will be written up and eventually a report will be written and delivered to Parliament.